Of how I think his name is Okoto. How he doesn't call Miyano Mia or Miyano. He's just like Butanchi, and Miyano's like, I mean, yeah, that's not my name, but yeah, that's me, I guess. It's great. It's great. So it's just revealed that Okoto, to try and figure out what's going through his girlfriend's mind, who is a Fujoshi, went through all of her BL manga, and in the background, it shows like a blurred, pixelated out, BL manga with the naked boy who's got like some kind of slime or tentacle monster wrapped all around him. And I'm like, oh, you poor, poor boy. You're no longer. It's so freaking funny. It's funny, but at the same time, it feels so bad. But it's great. It's great. It's great. Oh, dear Lord.
Oh, it's just Oga Sawada. What's up, man?
So now I know that this man's name is. Oh my god, I already forgot. I'm gonna keep calling him Okto for now because that's easier for me to remember. But I want to say I love how protective Sasaki is over Miyano. It's so cute. I love it. I love it a lot. And there was something else I was gonna say, but now I forgot. I had it in my brain what I was gonna say, but I forgot. Yeah, no, can't remember. Can't remember. No. Yeah, no. He is so protective. Sasaki is so protective of Miyano and so careful and gentle with him, like you've made him class or something. And something I noticed is that his voice like goes up an octave when he's talking to Miyano and goes down an octave when he's talking to like his friends or his classmates or his teachers, which is a nice little detail that I really like.